When the list you create needs to be in order and numbered, Word can help you with automatic numbering of your lists. That's what we're going to explore in this movie with our Tech Connect document 0602 if you're catching up. We left off creating a bulleted list, but we changed the title to Top 7 Careers in AI, so we might want to list these all the way up to the top one. So instead, we can select the list that's already there and simply go to a numbered list. Notice from the formatting toolbar, there is a button for numbering. Just click it. You can see it's automatically numbered using the default formatting. Click the drop-down arrow if you want to change that format. You can see there are a number of other options, including periods, brackets, Roman numerals. You can see lettering as well, a few lettering options, and lowercase Roman numerals if you wanted to do that. Let's go back to the one we just used, the 1, 2, 3 with the periods. And if, for example, you didn't have the list already, or it was there and you didn't have bullets, no problem. With everything still selected, let's go back up to the Home tab here and click the Numbered List button. That turns it off. Turn it back on by clicking it, and you go right back to the format you were using. Now here's the cool thing with numbered lists. If we go to the end and press enter, you can see it's automatically going to continue with the number 8, but we listed the top 7. So let's hit backspace. Hit it again 1, 2, 3 times to go back up to the end of the word engineers. What about reordering this? Maybe the top one isn't software engineers, but rather computer scientists. We can click and drag across that item and then go right inside the selected area, click and drag it up in front of the S in software. You can see that little cursor there right in front of the S and release. You can see it becomes number 1 and everything else is renumbered accordingly. That's the beauty of an automatically numbered list, which is easily done here in Microsoft Word. What you might be thinking is, well, can I adjust the indenting? I know I can change the numbering, but what about the space between the number and the list items? All of that's coming up in the next movie.